Hey everyone, Rob, the Average Lawn Guy, here to simplify your lawn care to make your life easier. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do for the month of May. Spring has come and the lawn is looking good. We're just beyond that transition period, and this is when I want to start to fertilize. This is the time to fertilize, and the reason why we fertilize is because Bermuda needs to feed. And as you feed your Bermuda, it will spread and grow like wildfire. Now, once you fertilize, the other thing you need to keep in mind, your lawn is going to start to grow, and it's going to grow very aggressively. Bermuda is known for its aggressive growth. And with aggressive growth, this is when you got to step up your mowing. Mowing once a week is absolutely the bare minimum. But I can tell you right now, once a week is not going to cut it. I tend to cut my lawn twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, but at a minimum you should be cutting your Bermuda lawn 2 times a week. The reason why is because Bermuda is very aggressive in its growth. Now, the other thing you want to do is apply a fungicide. Just like a pre-emergent, when you apply a fungicide at the preventive rate, you're going to prevent most major issues developing on your lawn. So a fungicide needs to go down your lawn once every 30 days during the active growing season. Now, if you don't do any type of fungicide treatment, you're taking the chance, and at some point you're probably going to get a fungus on your lawn. And treating a fungus after it has developed on your lawn is going to be more expensive in the long run. So just like a pre-emergent, you need to apply a fungicide at the preventive rate. Now, besides fertilizing and putting down your fungicide, the other application you want to make is your insecticide. Using a granular bug control on your turf will prevent most major issues. You're going to prevent most type of crawling bugs getting into your home and on your lawn. The main bugs you want to be concerned about are ants, cockroaches, or any type of spiders, any type of crawling insects. But the beauty about using an insecticide is that it has the unintentional effect of killing any type of grub activity on your lawn. You see, grubs are creepy little creatures that like to live under the soil and feed on your roots. So when you apply an insecticide once every 2 to 3 months during the active growing season, you're going to prevent most type of bug issues developing on your lawn. So to simplify matters, the 3 things you want to do right now during the spring when your Bermuda is actively growing is to fertilize your lawn. You want to apply a fungicide at the preventive rate, and you want to apply a granular insecticide on your lawn. These 3 things are key to having a healthy Bermuda. Now, if you have weeds, go ahead and treat those. I like to use Ortho Weed Be Gone for my weed control applications. I also like to mix in a little bit of Image and a pump sprayer and go ahead and spot treat. This is a time when you can go ahead and start treating for weeds. You can really treat for weeds any time of year except during the transition period of your Bermuda from dormancy to actively growing. There's a small period of window when you do not want to treat for weeds. The reason why is because your Bermuda is coming out of dormancy, and during that period it is sensitive to any type of applications you may make. So this is why you don't treat for weeds when your Bermuda is transitioning. Now that it's actively growing, you can go ahead and spot treat it. They have many chemicals on the market you can use. I like to go use an Ortho Weed Be Gone. Get that at Lowe's or Home Depot. Very easy to treat. I'll link another video right here, and it gets in detail on how I manage my bug control. I hope you found this video useful, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Look at this lawn. It is green and mean.